So, first add a plane. Scale it up. Then move down a little. Add another cube. Scale it up. Go to Shading tab. Switch to Render mode. Click on New. Then delete the Principal BSDF node. And add Volume Scatter, under the shader. Plug the volume to volume. Now lower down the density, to somewhere around 0.100. Go back to Layout tab. Switch back to Render mode. And there you have it. A basic Misty scene in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like. And if you want to see more quick and easy content like this, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.